house is to cellar as ship is to... With an analogy question like this one, our first step will be to try and understand the relationship between the given words. In this case, house and cellar. Here we can say that the connection is that a cellar is a storage area under a house. As our given word is ship, let's try and locate a word that means as close as possible to a storage area under a ship. With this in mind, let's take a look at our choices. A. River. Although it's not a storage area, there's an argument to be made that the same way a cellar is under a house, a river can be under a ship. Let's keep an eye on this choice as we take a look at the rest of our options. B. Water. Here we have the same argument as choice A. Water is something under a ship the same way that a cellar is under a house. Because these words have the same connection, it leads us to believe that neither of them can be the answer, as one doesn't seem any more convincing than the other. Regardless, we'll keep an eye on them as we check out our other choices. C. Hold. While the verb hold means to grasp something, the noun actually means a storage area under a ship. As we can see, this is a much clearer analogy than river or water, as it exactly parallels a cellar's relationship to a house. As we can see that this is our clearest answer thus far, we can mark off choices A and B and keep an eye on this choice while we look at our other options. D. Siege. The word siege, meaning the surrounding of a city during wartime, simply doesn't have enough in common with ship in this context to be considered similar or an opposite. We can mark this choice off. E. Waves. This choice is similar to choices A and B. A cellar is under a house and waves can be under a boat. Because we've already found a more suitable answer and marked off choices A and B, we can go ahead and mark this choice off as well. And F. Mail. Although you can mail something by shipping it, with this analogy we've been focusing on the noun ship, not the verb. This being the case, mail doesn't have enough in common with ship to be considered one way or the other. Therefore, this choice can be marked off, and we can mark choice C, hold, as our final answer.